Well, it all needs to be fixed. The wires are broken. Let's fix it. Remove the screws to open the cover plate. Keep going. Awesome! That's a lot of dust. Let's vacuum it up. Magnificent! Plug the wire into the right place. Red, green, blue. I knew you could do it. The track is broken. Uh-oh, trash. Pick up all the items with the pliers. You're so smart. Wonderful. Install the parts in the matching silhouette. That's it. All done. Now help to assemble Bulldozer. Keep up the great work. Now we can upgrade the parts.